Welcome back to Manna Home Design, where we explore beautifully designed small spaces and share smart interior design ideas for real-life living, especially in cities like New York. This brilliant 400-square-foot New York City apartment proves that small spaces can feel surprisingly spacious, and we're about to show you exactly how. Today, we're touring a 400 sq ft apartment in New York City, designed with a smart open layout, clever zoning, and space-saving furniture that makes every inch count. From hidden storage and a flexible dining setup to a cozy living room and a calm, renter-friendly bedroom, this apartment is packed with ideas that help small spaces feel bigger, more functional, and more comfortable. If you love small apartment design, New York City home tours, and practical interior inspiration, you're in the right place. Before we start, hit subscribe if you love smart small space design, and like this video to support the channel. Entryway plus kitchen entrance. As you enter this 400-square-foot New York City apartment, you're greeted by a compact entryway that flows directly into the kitchen. This small apartment uses a slim console table to create instant organization, offering shoe storage, decor space, and functionality without blocking the open layout. In a New York apartment where space is limited, smart storage is essential. Above-head baskets and vertical solutions maximize in-use space, making this entry area both practical and visually calm. It's a renter-friendly way to keep a small apartment feeling tidy and welcoming. This entry moment sets the tone for the entire apartment tour. It shows how functional furniture and intentional styling help a 400-square-foot apartment feel efficient, cozy, and well-designed, perfect for everyday New York City living. Kitchen with glass cabinets. This small New York City apartment kitchen proves that limited space doesn't mean limited style. Glass front cabinets visually open up the kitchen while turning everyday dishware into part of the decor, an interior design trick that works perfectly in a 400-square-foot apartment. With an open layout connecting the kitchen to the living area, this New York apartment feels social and functional. The mix of classic materials and coastal tones helps the space feel warm, while built-in appliances keep everything streamlined and efficient. This kitchen is a great example of smart storage and space-saving design in a small apartment. It balances beauty and function, making daily life in a compact New York City apartment feel easy and intentional. Kitchen storage and island detail. One of the smartest additions in this 400 square foot New York City apartment is this custom-sized kitchen storage island. In a small apartment with limited counter space, adding deep storage instantly improves functionality without disrupting the open layout. This piece combines smart storage, extra prep space, and visual warmth through its light wood finish. It complements the darker floors while proving that functional furniture is essential in any well-designed New York apartment. In compact New York City living, every inch matters. This island shows how thoughtful interior design can solve real problems in a small apartment while still maintaining a cozy, cohesive aesthetic. Dining area. Finding room for a dining area in a 400 square foot apartment isn't easy, but this New York City apartment makes it work beautifully. A compact extendable dining table fits perfectly between the kitchen and living room without crowding the space. This setup allows the apartment to shift from everyday use to entertaining guests, an essential feature of New York living. Lightweight chairs and flexible furniture keep the small apartment functional and social. This dining zone proves that even a small New York City apartment can support real-life moments. Smart layout choices turn limited square footage into a cozy, welcoming home. Living room. The living room in this small New York City apartment feels defined and comfortable thanks to smart zoning. A large area rug anchors the space, separating it visually while keeping the open layout intact. Functional furniture like a compact sofa, cozy accent chair, and storage ottoman allows this 400 square foot apartment to feel both stylish and livable. Natural light and layered textures enhance the warm interior design. This living room captures what works best in New York apartments: cozy seating, smart storage, and a layout that supports everyday life without feeling cluttered. Living room styling and shelving. Personal styling plays a huge role in this small apartment. Built-in shelving transforms an unused nook into a design feature, blending storage with storytelling. Books, framed photos, and collected objects give this New York City apartment character. In a 400 square foot space, vertical styling keeps surfaces clear while adding personality. This shelf proves that interior design in a small apartment isn't about minimalism, it's about intention, balance, and making a New York apartment feel like home. Work from home desk nook. This compact desk nook shows how a small New York City apartment can still support working from home. Tucked neatly into a corner, it uses minimal space while staying functional. Choosing slim furniture and renter-friendly lighting helps this 400 square foot apartment remain flexible. Decorative wall elements add interest without overwhelming the space. It's a smart reminder that even in New York living, a small apartment can be both productive and cozy with the right interior design choices. Bedroom with pocket doors. Pocket doors instantly transform this small apartment from a studio feel into a true one-bedroom. In a 400 square foot New York City apartment, this design choice adds privacy without sacrificing light. The bedroom feels warm and cozy with layered bedding, soft lighting, and render-friendly wallpaper. These interior design details make the space feel intentional and calm. This bedroom shows how smart layout and thoughtful design elevate everyday New York living, even in a compact apartment. Bedroom storage and dresser. Storage is key in any small apartment, and this New York City bedroom handles it beautifully. A statement dresser doubles as both storage and a design focal point. Hidden bins, compact furniture, and styled surfaces help this 400 square foot apartment stay organized without feeling cluttered. Every piece serves a clear purpose. This final space highlights what makes this apartment tour special: smart storage, functional furniture, and thoughtful interior design that makes small New York City living feel comfortable and personal. If you enjoyed this apartment tour, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more New York City apartment tours and smart interior design ideas. Let us know in the comments which space was your favorite, and what city you'd love to see next. Thanks for watching, we'll see you in the next tour.